What's good, everybody? This is your girl BellaJae. We have a fabric haul, and if you want to see what I got at Gotham Quilts, then stay tuned. I'm sorry about the air conditioner. It's gonna be on for the rest of the summer. You're gonna hear it. There's no way around it. And no, in order to change that and to record separately costs money, and right now that's not happening. So let's get down to this Gotham quilt. Lora Frisch asked, what did I get from this? Because I posted a picture on my Facebook like page. So now we're gonna just reveal this. The first is a fat quarter. And let me see if my receipt is in here. Did she even put it in here? I think I have it in my bag. No, I don't have it in here. Let's just say I spent $97 on this. $97 of what's in here. But my first fat quarter, I don't remember how much this was. Manhattan street map. I love it. And I bought a yard of this. This, I believe, was $13 a yard. It's no joke. It is pricey. But look at this. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I would love this to be my backdrop. So this, now I know where to get it from, and in all fairness, I'm gonna be honest, once I get my new place, it's a wrap. I definitely want this. This will be nice for a background, maybe like you know, the bulletin boards where you put the ribbon on it and you slide your notes in it, pictures, things of that nature. I would like that for the backdrop with a ribbon around it. So really what cost the most was basically my jelly roll and then some other fabric. But here's another one. This is like, I don't know, I thought this was the skyline, but look at this. It looks like it looks like a building right here. But I don't know. I thought it was cute and I thought it was funky. So that would be awesome. And, oh my gosh, this baby. This, I bought a yard and a half. It's 104 inches wide. This is mermaids. Like starfish. She said it was mermaids. I don't see mermaids on here. What I see is, oh, there it goes. Mermaid. Here we go. This is going to be my new backdrop. I thought this would be great. I thought this would be fun. It's a fun fabric for the summertime. And I thought, why not? I made sure that I got something that was wide. This was literally $13 a yard, and I bought a yard and a half. It's 104 inches wide, if I'm not mistaken, what she told me. And the measurements are just, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. But look at the colors. How does that look in back of me? I think this would be perfect. Look at the mermaid right there. Oh yeah. See? How do you like that? I think this is fun. It's colorful. It's eccentric. Not eccentric in a bad way, but beautiful. And it's just a matter of literally moving that dresser and putting something else in front of it. I don't know. Right now, my room is very limited, but I would like to cover this area and make it look a little bit better. Make it more lively. I have to change this, so just bear with me. And the last thing. This is $40 on its own. This is from Riley Blake Designs, Meow. My Mind's Eye. This is cats. I bought a cat themed. I can't really showcase it, but look at the colors. This is a jelly roll. And this is a cat one. It's 100% cotton, machine wash cold. And this is a meow roll up. That's what they call this. And I am not going to take it apart right now, but there is something that I would like to do with this. I hope I have the book right here. It's called BellaJae. I'm not even saying it correct. No, I'm not saying it correct. I'm saying it wrong because I just don't know. Blah, 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 blah. It's something that you do with the jelly roll. Something you do with the jelly roll. Something you do with the jelly roll. I'm acting like a boo-boo head. I can't think of it right now. Listen. All I know is I'm going to post the video below or up here in the link. Check it out for yourself. I did see, can't think of her name, but when I started following her, she showcased it, and I felt the need to even try it, and that's why I bought the half a jelly roll from Etsy, which I never got. Remember the lady I put in the claim? She sent me another one, and I never got that one either. They delivered this to someone else, and it was a loss of money. So I went ahead and bought my own jelly roll, and you need a jelly roll to do this. This is already pre-cut, which definitely saves an arm and a leg, okay? Is it pricey? Yes, it is. However, with any craft or any art or hobby that you do, it's gonna cost funds, and you either want to do it or you don't. But at this point in time, I love it. And I do love quilting. I love the quilt tops, and we are, can we say it? Yes, we are gonna start working on creating some placemats, and I already created one, but I will come to you on another day. If you follow me on my Instagram, then you would know what I created. If you want to see what I made for Lora Frisch, I'm going to post a video link to hers to showcase the gift that I gave her. And I'm telling you, I think it's amazing. And just to showcase, I have been practicing. This was doing my tension. Thanks to Wendi Gratz. Wendi, I'm going to post her down below. Look at this. I was practicing. That's my batting. It looks thick, but it's not. It's pretty thin, and it's perfect to do some table settings, to do some table runners. It could be for shelf covers. It could be whatever you want. It could be even a drawer liner. Whatever the case may be, machine washable, I think that's great. And we're going to come back on another day for that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry, I'm like tongue-tied, twisted up, and my brain is all over the place. But thank you so much for watching this, and thanks to Lora Frisch, because she wanted to see what I got. This is, tell me this is not beautiful. Look at the colors. This would make for a great kitty dress. It could be anything, and I love the material. 100% cotton. It's just, oh my gosh. It is pricey. It is pricey, handcrafted items. And let me explain to you something, and this is just a word of advice for anyone out here. At this time in my life, I understand even more so now why handcrafted items are people charge money for that. And there are people willing to purchase that because it is the manual labor that's put into it. It's not only that, when you see something that's beautiful and it's just intricate, it's made with a lot of love and a lot of good energy, and we need to support that because these crafts have been going on for generations. I don't know my family, so I don't know if anybody was a quilter. I don't know many Spanish people that are quilters, but you know what? I like to sew, I like to create, and I am just trying to get the gumption or someone to push me and just do the videos. It was one thing doing the quilting challenge, but it's another thing to do what Mimi G did. Like, I'm gonna post a video that I watched today, what she created, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna post that video as well, and you check it out for yourself. But it's things of this nature that we love. We love to cook. I like to cook. Do you like to cook? There are some people on here who really love baking, love cooking, love crafting, love gardening, love Back in the days, it was a thing called Trican, where it was paint in a tube. You got people who love to embroider, crochet, knit, makeup, anything. They are good at what they are. They love what they do. It could be with their hands. It could be anything. You have to embrace these passions, so be supportive of them, and know, trust, and believe that it comes with a hefty price tag, but I love it, and this is my candy. You know, you thought makeup was it, but look at that fin. I love the material. I just love the way it feels. And imagine creating something so beautiful for a child, or for an expectant mom, or maybe a nice soft quilted item, or you want to knit something for an elder. These little things, just put your heart and soul into it and watch what blossoms. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I love this material. I can't wait to put this up. Let me just clear out this area and make it really wholesome and beautiful. I think we can do that, right? Later.